Good morning to one and all. This is Karthik Kumar studying 6th class in Coding Academy. Today I am going to convert science into Python program. Now I am giving a comment that is science. My comment is science. Now I am taking a variable that is A. A is my variable and I am giving input, enter what animal eats. See here, input will work like if we enter a string, float or a integer, then it will give output. See, I am giving a condition. If A not equals to meat and A not equals to plant products and A not equals to meat and plant products, print enter meat or plant products or meat and plant products. See means this condition work like if we enter meat, plant products and meat and plant products, the nothing will come output. If we not entered meat, plant products or meat and plant products, then our output will be this one. See, I am giving output H. Then our output will enter meat or plant products or meat and plant products. See, if I entered meat, then nothing will output. See, now I am giving another condition. If A double equals to meat, if A double equals to meat, print it is a carnivore. Means here the animal which eats meat, it is called carnivore. Now I am giving elif A double equals to elif A double equals to plant products, print plant products if A double equals to plant products, then print it is a herbivore. Means the animal which eats plants, it is called herbivore. Now I am writing else print it is a herbivore. It is a herbivore. And next, else print it is a omnivore. See, now our output, I am giving meat. Then meat, the animal which eats meat is called carnivore. That's why our output is carnivore. I am entering plant products. Then our output is it is a herbivore. Now I am entering meat and plant products. Now our output is it is a omnivore. Like this program will tell it is a omnivore, carnivore or herbivore.